गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा, खुश रहो। आज जो पिछली क्लास हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था इंजन टर्मिनोलॉजी, इसी इंजन टर्मिनोलॉजी के आधार पर अब आपको न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करनी है। तो आई थिंक आप सब लोगों ने उन सभी टर्म को अच्छे से याद किया होगा और इस क्लास में हम उन्हीं टर्म को यूज करने जा रहे हैं। यहाँ पे एक्सरसाइज में आपके सामने दे रहा हूँ और इस एक्सरसाइज को आपको अपने प्रैक्टिकल रिकॉर्ड में भी करके खुद अपने हाथ से करना है और देखना है कि जो मेरे आंसर आ रहे हैं आपके आंसर मिल रहे हैं कि नहीं मिल रहे। तो पहला न्यूमेरिकल है एमएससी फर्गूसन 1035 डीजल ट्रैक्टर है 3 सिलेंडर 4 स्ट्रोक इंजन, cylinder bore 88.9 mm, stroke 127 mm, compression ratio 16.5:1, brake horsepower 32, and engine speed is 2000 rpm. So you have to calculate piston displacement, second displacement volume, third one is the piston speed, and fourth one is the stroke ratio. I told you piston displacement A into L, where A is the area of piston, D L is the length of stroke. The area आप लोगों ने पिछली क्लास में पढ़ा है कि कोई सिलेंडर का होता है शेप, उसका एरिया होता है π/4 d square. So A is equal to π/4 d diameter in the problem itself 88.9 millimeter. So you have to calculate area in square centimeter. That's why I have converted it to millimeter into the centimeter. So I think you might be knowing 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. So 88.9 millimeter is equal to 8.89 centimeter divided by squaring it, the answer comes 62 centimeter square. Length also you have to convert into the centimeter. 127 millimeters equal to 12.7 centimeter, and n, because there is a there are 3 cylinders, that's why I multiplied by 3 and divided by 2. Why 2 has been divided by 2? Because it is a 4-stroke engine. So in every 2 revolution there is a 1 power stroke. That's why I have divided it by 2000 by 2. Answer come 3000. So now the piston displacement equal to, as multiplying AL 62 into 12.7, answer comes 787.4 cc. Volume, I think you know, unit of volume is cubic centimeter. Similarly, displacement volume, I told you VD equal to AL into N. N is the number of power stroke. So 62 multiplied by 12.7 and 3000 we got. So this volume is coming. Okay, I think volume was cc, you have to convert divided by 100. So it will come 236.2 liter, 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. Now the third thing which the question, piston speed. Piston speed is equal to twice L into N. So 2, here is the length of stroke, 12.7, here is the 2000. Okay, that here 2000 RPM. Here we have converted in the number of power stroke. Here it is the 2000 is the engine speed. Okay, that's why we have given here 2000. So 2 multiplied by 12.7 multiplied by 2000 divided by 1000 equal to 50.8 meter per minute. Now the stroke bore ratio, in the terminology I told you, stroke bore ratio is the length of stroke divided by the diameter of the cylinder. So L upon D equal to, and it should be in millimeter. L is equal to 127 millimeter divided by 88.9. The stroke bore ratio is 1.43. Okay, now come to the second exercise. Second exercise is a 4-cylinder 4-stroke gas engine has a cylinder 25 centimeter diameter, 50 centimeter stroke, and run at 100 revolution per minute with the indicated mean effective pressure of 7.5 kg per centimeter square. So you have to calculate IHP, BHP, mean effective pressure, stroke bore ratio. So in the terminology, I have told you IHP is equal to PLAN divided by 75 into 60 metric unit. Okay, P is the mean effective pressure, L is the length of stroke, A is the area of piston, and N is the number of power, and 75 we have to divide it by 75. So you first we have given P is the mean effective pressure. It is just 7.5 kg per centimeter. So there is no problem. Keep this value in the formula, 7.5 kg per centimeter, 7.5. Okay, area equal to, as previous example, pi by 4 divided by pi by 4 d square. A is the pi by 4. Area, it is given the diameter of cylinder 25 centimeter. So 25 square it. So answer will get 490.6 centimeter square. N is the 154 divided by 2. Pi divided by 2 because it is a 4-stroke. If it is being 2-stroke engine, there was no need to divide it by 2. So it is a 4-stroke, we have divided it by 2. And we are getting 77. So keep this value in the formula. IHP equal to PLAN divided by 75 into 60. So answer will get, after solving it, will get 31.48 horsepower. Okay. Now I told you efficiency. Mechanical efficiency equal to brake horsepower upon IHP. This BHP and BHP, we can also convert it in multiplying it by IHP, we will get the BHP. So simply 86.431 divided by 100. So it is coming 27.2. Now the brake main effective pressure. It is the, you remember, mechanical efficiency multiplied by mean effective pressure. Brake main effective pressure is equal to, learn it formula. Mechanical efficiency multiplied by mean effective pressure. So brake mean effective pressure is 86.4 as we got here, it is had given mechanical efficiency 86 and multiplied it by the mean effective pressure. Now the fourth point is the stroke bore ratio, L upon D, length of stroke divided by diameter of the cylinder, 50 divided by 25 will be getting stroke bore ratio 2. So similarly in the book, I think book you might be knowing, learn it. The book is Principle of Agriculture Engineering by T.P. Ojha and Michael. I am writing here the book. Okay, I will give you next time. Thank you. बुक का नाम लिख तो नहीं है यहाँ पे 2 बिंदु लगा आ रही है मेरे पर. प्रिंसिपल ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर इंजीनियरिंग by T.P. Ojha, T capital T and Ojha, Ojha and A.M. Michael, E. M-I-C-H-E-A-L, Michael, C-H-E-A-L. Okay, so there are so many problems related to these terms, and you will go through, solve yourself, and there will be more practice. Thank you.